Hello guys, I'm Ronald. This switch is supposed to be push button switch, control the garage door. Something wrong inside. If we come here, okay, looks like this wire go to that wall. You can control the garage door up and down. Okay, looks like this wire go to ceiling space all the way going there. Okay, let's remove this cover. Before we touch any cable, I better switch power off. Before we touch any wire, we have to switch off the power to be safety. Right. Let's double check no power on the cable. Yeah, all good. Okay, all good. That's the button switch. Controlled. When you press down, control the garage door up or close. Looks like this one damaged and something jammed inside. So we have black and red, gives to another signal of orange and green. So I think we better replace. There's a new cover, new push button switch. Before we make changes, just double check continuity if it works well. So this one here. Yep, that's the one we want to replace. The older one already so old. Is that still gonna be working or? Actually, it still works. Right. You may want to remember the code color. Take this one out. green, yellow is one cable. Black and red is another. Okay. This one too loose. Maybe not a good idea to keep using this. So got a new one here. Better remove the cover. Just give a push. There you go. Yep, looks better. Yeah, just be careful. All the way in. Yep. Make sure it's a very strong connection, but not over tight. Yep. The panel cover. We need to switch on the power for the motor. There's the switch there. The lights on. Yeah, that's good. Just wait a couple seconds. Yeah, it works. Yeah, very good. Alright, see you next time. See you. Bye.